Hey everyone, today we're going to be taking a look at the Botanical Bliss mattress from a company called PlushBeds. What makes this mattress unique is that it's 3 layers of latex with an organic cotton cover, and there's really not that many of these mattresses on the marketplace right now. So let's take a look. For this review, we received the 10-inch medium Botanical Bliss, but there's other firmnesses and thicknesses available on their website, depending on what your needs are. Just keep in mind that latex does tend to skew firmer than foam, so if you are used to a very plush foam feel, you definitely want to go softer with latex. Your Botanical Bliss mattress is going to arrive in 2 boxes. There'll be box 1 of 2 and box 2 of 2. I opened box 1 of 2 first, thinking that was the first one. And in fact, those are the latex layers that go inside. So when you open it, make sure you open up box 2 of 2. That contains the outer shell and the first layer of latex. Make sure to get that onto the bed first. Now when you get the mattress shell and the first layer situated onto the bed, you're going to want to add the other 2 layers. Each layer is labeled for firmness, starting with the base layer, which is a medium, followed by a medium, soft, and soft. Now you can switch out these layers for different firmness, but we'll get into that later. Getting them onto the inside the bed can be a little tricky. It's sort of like shaking out a towel. You can lay them across. Once they're pretty much laid out, you want to shake them to create a little wave, and what that'll do is allow you to move the latex into place so all the layers are perfectly aligned, and then you can zip up that top cover and complete the setup. So that's certainly a unique experience to build your own mattress, but that's what I'm talking about with the Botanical Bliss. It's not your typical bed in a box. It's not something that you cut open and can sleep on right away, but you do have pride in knowing that you helped build your own bed. Now that your mattress is put together, you'll notice that it has a very nice organic cotton cover. It has 2 handles on each side, which is great for rotating. You'll need those handles because latex is a heavy material. This is a heavy mattress. It also has some gold vents on each side as well for added breathability. Overall, just very sleek looking and sophisticated. Now you're probably watching this video because you're in the marketplace for an all-natural mattress. And that term is pretty loosely defined because an all-natural mattress could be something like this, or it could be a mattress with springs in it. A lot of times people just don't want any steel or springs in their mattress. They don't consider that all natural. What you get with the Botanical Bliss is the organic cotton cover, a layer of New Zealand wool for temperature regulation, followed by 3 layers of gold certified latex. That's Global Organic Latex Standard latex, which means it comes from an organic certified farm. And each of those layers has varying levels of density, so one is firmer than the other, and you can swap that around to change out the comfort. So you're probably wondering how an all-latex mattress feels. We often review spring and foam, spring and latex mattresses, but it's pretty rare that we get to review an all-latex mattress. Well, when you set up your mattress, you notice that I mentioned that you kind of have to wring out that towel to get that latex situated onto the mattress correctly. So right away you know it has this very rubbery feel, and then when you put that cover over it, that sort of dampens things a little. So latex does skew a little bit firmer than foam because it has a tendency to sort of push back. The more you push into it, the more it wants to spring back at you. So this mattress was great in terms of being able to move around on. It has some good bounce. So if you appreciate a mattress with good bounce but not a lot of motion transfer, this is ideal because you really aren't going to get any motion transfer at all, even though you're able to bounce around a little bit on the mattress. Now in terms of sleeping position, I find this ideal for stomach and back sleepers. Side sleepers are probably going to want to go for that 12-inch version. It's just going to allow more material for you to sink into the mattress and contour a bit better. In terms of breathability, I love latex mattresses because when they pour the latex and take it out of the mold, they leave these little holes that create little pockets for air to flow through and out through the side through those gold little vents on each of the sides. So a very breathable mattress, easy to move around on, good for stomach and back. Side sleepers, you may want to go a little bit thicker, but all in all, a very unique and comfortable feel. The Botanical Bliss retails for around $3,000 in a queen size, but they often have discounts As of this video, the discount is around $200, bringing it down to about $1,900 for a queen 10-inch Botanical Bliss. Now this also comes with a 100-night trial. The caveat is that you keep it for 30 nights, which is reasonable. You want to make sure that you can adjust to the feel of the mattress. And beyond those 30 nights, if you still don't like it, they just ask that you reach out to them and then they will have somebody pick it up. They just ask that you put it back in a box so that they can come by and pick it up and give you the full refund. This mattress comes with a 25-year warranty, which is higher than your typical 10-year warranty that most mattress companies give you. And I think the reason they're able to extend such a long warranty is because latex is a very durable material. It is much more durable than foam, even than springs. So they just know that you're gonna get a really good lifespan out of this mattress, and they really do stand behind it. So in conclusion, people looking for an all-natural mattress that want no compromise in material really do need to look at an all-latex mattress, because you don't even have to wonder, are there any impurities in the steel of the springs? None of that is in question. You know exactly what farm this latex came from. It is a gold certified latex. It's natural New Zealand wool. It's an organic cotton cover. There's nothing about this mattress that isn't biodegradable. So not only does it have a great sustainability story, it's also a very comfortable mattress. Yes, it does skew a bit firmer, but if you know that going into it, just make sure you go with one of their more plush options, which they certainly have. You're gonna get a lot of lifespan out of this mattress. If you're tired of always being in the marketplace for a new mattress, you don't have to worry about that. Also, it's very versatile. You notice that when I put this thing together, it's very modular. So I can swap out those layers, and as my needs change for firmness, so can the mattress. So all in all, great investment. Yes, it does skew a little bit higher than your typical foam mattress, but definitely worth the cost. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com. We've got the full review and the latest discounts.